this is Lael Kankar with Simple Stories. Today I'm here to talk to you about our washi paper tape. Now if you're like me, you may have something like this at home, rolls upon rolls upon rolls of washi tape. One thing I've started to discover is as I go through my different washi tape, I found that there's far too much tape on one particular roll for me to ever use it all, especially when it comes to those poor rolls that end up at the bottom of my basket like this. So the way that we've solved that dilemma is we've introduced something called washi paper tape. And washi paper tape come in 3x4 sheets. So in each package you have two 3x4 sheets of 12 designs. And you can see here, each sheet has pre-cut strips. So I have a larger rectangle, I have a smaller rectangle, and then I have 4 circles at the bottom. And because each package includes 2 sheets each of 12 different designs, I have just enough washi to get my washi fix in and to use the washi on my projects without having something like this where I have rolls that I'm never going to get through. And that is washi paper tape from Simple Stories.